Hi people, today I wanted to show to you how you can use HDRI map HDRI map to make your scene brighter, because you can use a sky texture, but you can also use different type of texture. Of course, uh, that one seems to be still okay. But you can use another method. When you use Blender for artists, you can use environment texture. But I just have to check if the environment texture you can use HDRI map, because I downloaded from Polyhaven some interesting HDRI maps. I don't know how they pronounce in English. So we will use maybe that texture, because that one seems to be okay. Second control texture. Do we have rotation? I don't know. I could actually rotate. I just have to check vector UV vector mapping. Point. I just have to check if I do this rotation. I don't know. This doesn't work as I wanted. I just wonder if I can rotate that texture. Uh, hmm. Oh, we can change the mirror volume. It will also give to us quite interesting results. They can use environment map uh, for this texture. I wonder if I can still manipulate that texture. I will have to watch some video tutorials people how to do that, because in this video tutorial I only wanted to show you how to use environment texture for the scene. Let's check the results. It also depends what type of HDRI map. I will have to go to sleep in a minute. This is all free, but we also have some other things, collection technique. The only thing is materials. Oh, sometimes it's tricky to find. This is also cool. I have already tested what you can download in 4K resolution. I can cancel this to speed the things up. Because I don't know what about you such as not too bad actually. Oh no, I forgotten to switch to graphics card. Because sometimes when you use final render, okay, I forgotten to select the graphics card. I would like to check this map, because you can also use for viewport when you work with objects. World opacity. render blur, and then we can install. Oh no, I didn't select proper location. It was a little bit slower because I want to use it for render as well. So you can see the difference, and we can apply another, we can install that map, and we can check final result. Oh, it is a little bit dark. Not too bad, not too bad. So you can use HDRI map, HDRI map in viewport and render as well. I hope you like my video tutorial.